Students, good evening. Today's topic is knocking in the internal combustion engine. Here it has been shown normal combustion, and here that is premature combustion. So please keep these figures in mind. And today's topic is knocking in the IC engine. So today we will discuss step by step what is knocking, why does it occur, what are the disadvantages of the knocking, and what are the chemical reactions which take place in IC engine. So first step, in the internal combustion engine, the mixture of fuel and petrol vapor is compressed and ignited by